kugamba abantu nti muve oba kuwatiza mu bwavu ekigenderwa kitono nnyo kulaba nti abantu tubateekateeka tusobole okwenyigira mu kunoonya ekigulira magala eddiba nga buli omu afunamu era nga tukuteekeddeteekedde awatuufu era walungi ogenda okukolera kakati no weesabira wano nkuba omulanga obutakungula bannange njagala enkwatagana mu kino njagala obuwagizi bwammwe njagala tutambulire wamu
Chofa togabye nagira ngo bahereze kumanyisa ebitongore byone byo kwerinda kureba ngo kiragire eki cyatebo mu nkora
abamu mutwadde ebirowoozo birungi muze wa minister mugenzi wa ED mugenzi buli wamu ewala sisi ebirowoozo ebyo tubizimbye naye gwe munnanga atuweetera ebirowoozo ebyolugezigezi atuleetera olugambo ogira olindako ojja tufuna mu gwokusatu kino kiwedde soke tuleke tukole olugambo lwojja tutegeerera
yashaba batembeyi okwehandikisa na KCCA okubahwera okubarondera hibarakore
ate n'ekirala ndabula abasuubulira ku makubo mwe ababadde bakolera ku makubo mwewale nnyo bannaffe bannakigwanyizi mu luzungu bennayise ba elite capture nkimanyi muli bantu bagonvu nnyo muli bawulize ne waliwo bannakigwanizi abagenda ne babalimbalimba ate ne babajjako akasente tize kangende njogere ne ED tubalekeko mu kapoloti kano tewali agenda kusigala mu kapoloti konna
gasha kwa Ismail Nsuga
bale Ismail ba broker n'abavuji ba taxi mu ntawene y'Ishaka omuri Bushenyi batahirire office ya RDC wa Bushenyi barukwenda bagarurize minibus ey'ekibina ecemazire aha polisi ameza 3 motokeji ekakwatwa aha bwentaro ezabireho omukindura abebembezi ba taxi park
ba driver ba taxi abarukwegitara ahansi y'ekigombe cyabo ekya Bushenyi Taxi Drivers Association batahirire office ya RDC aha bwa Bushenyi district barukwenda emotoka yabo emazire ameza 3 aha polisi
motoka yito butwaji parkinga tukiza hano ya aho amarpapa hall twakora buri kimwe cyabencyetaga kururizinga motoka ejo within some days konga kitumazira mani usanga RDC ntupakinga motoka yitu kumara meza 3 kandi business yitu ngaba driver
ata namjanta naremerwa ahubwo babandumba nagira nkambarete nimwe mbasoborere akuba ninja kuba nko miyayo misoganye nagumanye umuntu memotoka nibora weni RDC onyambeho ninga tabona karaka mbasobore cyo motoka
aba babwineho town clerk obashoborire ahanshonga yabo
update tukubahereza Mr. RDC yajya mugumiserizemo we are following it up by next week Friday report ekirungi yashowire Dr. Yonaza gukora ki registra kutera hoki kutuhereza direction tuza kubeta tubanjure reporta then ibirarikemu mumanye mwe
RDC abashabire kutegereza obwire obwabahirwe kugarukana motoka yabo okwayo konkaba tibikirizine nebagarukirwemo ahabwo kuba babire nibende motoka yabo bajibahe aho naho konkati cyabasika
jire town crack kwara jina jabaye mugende mukwate mini bus yanyu ntorara you are very welcome murare uturiki werekire aho kawija mu kureka kandi kore ujo ine predetermined mind yo kumanya utati niza kugendera mini bus yawe shobora ugenda ujya polisi ugiye
ajya mu kurwanya by'abadova bajyanje babaziranze nakwikomeza yatwa tuziraheze gufata turimo tukayitu amani tuza ko samani minje kukusinga gagagerizo tinguza kwiza ngacota nyenka nabwo tugaruke turebe cyane
okwatwa kw'emotokeji eya minibus kukabaho bwa nyuma y'esente ezakozerwe emotokeji okubuzamisho ahabwire bwo kuzubagana amakuraga gasha kwa Ben Muhozi omuri Bushenyi
Webare Ben Umuhozi Asanansias Mpirwe ow'emyaka 10 akakora obubonero mushanju ombibuzo by'icyamushanju konka amasiko agokuza omusiniya nagira ngutagine naruga omucyare cya Kikondera omuri Kajani Town Council omuri Buhwejo District kandi ombariyo nibetebekanisa okuza omusiniya nagira ngo wetarumu ahabwo ibura ry'esente.
Koko efumu y'abanyankorero kugira ngo etero munakutera kusya gendaga bamazima ahabo kuba eyatire Athanasius Mpirwe bayimayishe kufa obyabire yasebiro bichazirwe atiyo nyina cyomuzara akamutwara akasiga yamunagahizba ati akegendera no bunyine nkurabira gerizeho kumworora esente zimuremere yamuho mu ishomero bayimayo kwihayo bonero mushanju ombebuzo bye cyamushanju
impereza cyamushanju kaka yanjanga umwana wanje esente tuzachiho mwana wakwemera zomo gumeno sora nokora chini yoronde ko kwabe
so tuchigeka ishumi akuzingwa bwaki
njengwa bwabujangwe sente mutiya china ubiyambite tayine biyambi bona mwana tiaja wazomo tuchigumeno sora nokora chini
Athanasius yatugira ngo nyine nkuru kizarishe akabanza kumutwara ahakerezia kushomerayo kuya P2 mukuru w'ishomero rya Cyabuharambo Primary School omuri masheruka shema yamutwara yatanika kumuheraho konka hati tubakibasa hariyo mwanya ashobeirwe
nyonyo ndukuza kwetegereza ngasanga nyine kaka nyoke najagiza kumbuza bazire yajanga ngo mungu akafa umandiza tamaye agire Dera tukana abantu buni nkora yajatana kutwara ishomero yantwaye ishomero igikoko Cyabuharambo yagumana ngore bitabo na mperezo bicumu cyaje nabemushaba kimpereza ati dero kuyena Cyabuharambo headmaster witi yagumana kwataraho kakana warushasha
ahitwagera ku kiro mu cyaro cya Kikondera omuri Kajani Town Council Buhwejo District twashanganye n'enkuru wa Athanasius orukumanya Kamelda Kebkari ow'emyaka 89 arukonde tabe kwihamwezo mwonyo kandi yatugira ngo ahikira hakuremwa no bwarabe naendo mwijukura shome
naka twanje katabaho mutote no tugetabe ko kutama akakora kandi kahonda nkabika nkwecira nkiwo munesi nkaguza nyamwaka sente akiba yamhera kafizi kandi yize tebitabo nyayaka sente kinkubanyiro mutoce nango mutabe yanje nkamagenda gure bitabo
Kebkari yatebeze nakuye byatshobera bwayima yo kutugira nkuyihanye nawo mwana ogwa munagahizba takahotokaga kureba yabo mwana yahonre
ikakunda mama nanje ndakubira ndonzire no buyambe narondekera yankorere cyabura Nkwimata pili anjeje ntaranga wanje ntiyezo stompa buyamba mwana wanje ubu ndango nsiza kufubundi kasiga kashitira rguruka kano kareba nito tokare kazwire sate zitaguce
Nobu Athanasius ahireyo bonero mushanju umbibuzo be cyamushanju amazire primary yona atakataga nkito mu kigere kandi ahizo baryo kumuruka no kumura abire natambura kuruga Buhwejo owabo mpaka shema aha kigere kuba wahorere mbozeji kandi no bushoborozi bwo kwera umwana ogu tera ziro mushanju 5 5 9 5 neyishento gasha kwa Mike atwachiri
Webare Michael atwachire ntugumuza muna makuru akachikwa katirwe President John Yoweri Kaguta Museveni okubasa kutebekanisa okutandika kwa Bunyoro University nabajana nibetenga sente ziri kwingana billioni igana okombeka ebyombeko bya university omuri Kikube district.
President General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni na Minister w'ebyobwegese Janet Museveni bakatongoza entebekanisa zo kwombeka university bit chairman w'akachiko Professor Samuel Chamanywa na jangu betaga billioni igana okutandika kwombeka
enjuze planning kwombeka hati tukwetaga haihi billions 10.79 bibe bihoire ngudo zayo ikozirwe eze ebyombeke bitukutekaniza baitwa for budget yo mwaka guno go kujya kutandika ogwe 2026 2027 tukutekereza tukusaba ngo batutungire billioni 10 biliyoni 10 zikusobola kumala ebyombeko bisatu kandi sobole kubanga tulinayo ebyombeko ebyokutandikiramu.
Kyamanywa nashobora nubenda kutandika university n'ebyombeko bina kandi gw'amasomo gona bamazire okugatebeekanisa.
So ebyombeko ebyo bisatu bina actually bina bikusobola kuba nibyombeko nibimara baitu atali mu bintu by'omunda furnishing etarumu betu kuteeka mu furnishing niwo zikuja nizikanka biliyoni 17 tutayire mu furnishing
akwikiriza ekyo kandi bagya kufuna na contract agenda kutandika kuombeka ebyombeko byenyine obwe kikuhondere engude za kingwirwaho mu kichweke ekyo tugenda kutaho obulyo kurora ntufunire sente ensimbizi kumara kuombeka ebyombeko bino mu mwaka gumwebiri tutandike university yaitu tutale mbyombeko byokwetiza rundi byokupangisa
najango mwaka ogu betebekanisa okwayo biliyoni 14 okuombeka kutandike
mwaka guno tukaba ntekereza ngo tujja kutandika kora kuombeka nabwo ekyo tulina budget ya biliyoni 14 12 n'ekichweka zikujaki akuombeka kutandika omusingi nabwo ekyo nikwati twemereire
singi okutandika kadi
ekyo kijja kusinzira abo okuba tukujja mu procurement ojja mu procurement process ya procurement obundi etwala obwire baitwitwe plan yaitu ekaba neteekeza tukozesa procurement ze tukuteekeza nizo tukujja kukozesa za government yaragire by April tukuba ntandika musingi
nabwo ekyo itwe nkaba members of parliament tusabire Ministry of Education ekologwayo buire buno nubwo bwenyine Ministry of Education inakuteeka esente za university mu budget ezikumara nuko zije ha parliament mu committee ya education nuko naitwe na tuteke mu amani.
University ya Bunyoro neja kuba ine colleges 3 emwe eriyo mu Rukibare okushomesa ebya science y'obuhinji n'oburisa eyindi erikirya Ndongo okushomesa ebya science y'amajuta n'ubwiga bo mu itaka na college nkuru eya Buhimba mu district ya Kikube gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Bare Ambrose Katoto twaza kumuraho tuje n'icweka icya kabiri.
Movit Relaxer Cream brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
Abarukuza kushomesa hamoreka gwa Harvest Money bariyo nibetebekanisa omuri Kampala.
Tujja kusomesa ntembuzo ezo muvaamu ebintu ebyenjawulo.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, eresra uhereza bwa muremba muri Mbarara City. Ahiba rukwereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande chokunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel Rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanju mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanju notu mukaga 36
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amashemererwa minji nitutabarusiye abantu mwena umwaka musya ogwe-2026 kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena nguri tukinda abantu binji abashija n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 25 okwera Chenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esinjira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize ogwe-2025 okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitugona esimu notu mushanju ina not emwe 2 3 4 5 6 neinga notu mushanju ina 5
noro n'omwanya gw'obuhumuro ogurumo obusinge kandi gubonire muri Mbarara City Summit Gold Hotel nituho buraro bw'omurembe buri kishenge kiri mu DSTV intercom na wifi tuneza cottages za gardens impango ezokoreramu amagenyi agaburikika oine business meeting leta abantu bawe omu conference hall tune restaurant ekutebekanisa ebyokurya ebyaburi muringo rero cyaka kukiringa bine bara erimu ekyokunywa kyekika kyona ekyorukwenda ebyokwerinda byitu bikebembire bindi byona okubukinga tera 0754 20 86 tusange asungine n'akatare k'akatozo akashozi kabiharwe omuri Mbarara City.
For years, they have studied, they have trained, they have persevered. Now, the moment of honor has come. Finns Medical University is proud to announce its 5th graduation ceremony. We cordially invite our graduating class of 2025, their esteemed parents and guardians, and the general public to join us in this celebration of academic excellence and professional dedication. The chief guest will be the Right Honorable Anita Amang, the Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda. The university will also celebrate its charter. The ceremony will be held on Friday, the 27th February 2026, at the Finns Medical University campus in Fort Portal. Proceedings commence at 9 a.m. Finns Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batu mu kidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumuna na wiring ebyoma. Tugumiseze shanki ibiri.
Bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Dio ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Oine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Best friend waffe emuteni eyo yaddala gamba nti best friend emuteni eyo yaddala nnyo.
Tutandikidde Kampala naye tugenda mu ggwanga lyonna nga tugaba school fees wa mwaka mulamba.
Twebaza omukama okuba nti nno atuwadde omukisa guno ate ne MTN okuba nti esasulidde omwana fees ez'omwaka omulamba ebe tutikudde omugugu era kuba sente ezo ziba nyingi nnyo.
Sasula school fees ng'okozesa momo onyiga star emu mukaaga 5 star 80 hash ng'osasula school fees w'omwana wo essomero nga liwangula school van naawe bw'oba kwegamba nga embeera ekukuttemu ng'ofuna school fees loan weewaawo.
We labor to excel is our motto. Long live Bonnie Conceal.
Hello, Bonnie Conceal viewers. Once again, I welcome you to your dearest channel, to your dearest TV at Bonnie Conceal Girls Vocational Secondary School. We are located in Isinjiro district in western Uganda. It is a girls' school. Our focus today, we are going to look at the Bonnie Conceal girls. They must tell us what what do they like about their school? Bonny Conseil is very wonderful, and what inspires me the most at Bonny Conseil is the way Bonny Conseil girls behave.
First of all, I like the discipline of the girls of Bonny Conseil. Take a look on the respect they give to the teachers and the fellow students too.
I find Bonny Conseil a home away from home. Our head mistress, she's one of the best head teachers in Africa. She parents us like a mother. Sister, Dr. Mary Gladys Kachopi Amoti.
Come we labor together, come we excel together, because here at Bonny Conseil, this is the spice of Africa. That's what I can talk about Bonny Conseil.
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju District barakira beja bojona beshiki okwija kushoma certificate y'obunasi nursing certificate y'obuzalisa midwifery diploma y'obunasi extension diploma y'obuzalisa extension itenda cyori handisibwa mu bwijire omu ministry y'obwegesi nemizano kandi na center number okuruga mu Unimap itenda cyero ginentani sabwa buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batenda kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendekero abeje bona baratunga buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwa beje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashasha sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.40 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju ni 5 mushanju ni 3 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwana mazimo rya hano bari bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakiri wansuko mu motoka iriyo nenyusi yo gwija kunywa
mucyara unama utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufundurira kahurire
Kamwana tera chairman wembaga akongeza binako kishahemu ito twe tuyon tuno diplomat akatuka kabisira hanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara nabagine diplomat ebindi byayenda beje bigende nabagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha intangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamibwa ba UNPS twakuretera ishamero nyamurungi Light Secondary School Nyabubare Bushenyi District nirya bojona bishiki kandi ni dena boarding ine unib center na license ya ministry y'ebyobwegese bamazira ubwire buringwa bari gukora job bigezo ibya sine ya kana na sine ya mukaga omuri Bushenyi District bine library na laboratory birya mutino gwa ministry y'ebyobwegese otebirwe na computer lab kandi bibyona nibiwera beji okwikaja amashomo gabo nishangwa umugombora ya Nyabubare omuri Igara West bakine emyanya musine yo kubanza okukasine ya mukaga iwe teresimu uyetunjira umwanya noto mushanje ina 3 ashatu ni 5 5 nemwe 30
zamuna makuru abahangu hokurwa mu United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates na India Tripartite Trade Investment and Tourism batayira ikorero erya Kapeka Industrial Park ahubwo bari kweyongera okwetegereza ahamiringo eyokutamu esente.
Abahangwa aba besurwenganzi yihanga Robin Nabanja okuganira nshonga z'obushubuzi n'oburambuzi ebyagambirwaho mu rukiko orwabiro mu London omu Bungereza omukwezi kwikuma mwaka ogwire.
We are delighted and excited today to have hosted our first India-UK trade mission to Uganda. So our focus today was taking them to the Kapeka Industrial Park for them to be able to see the industries that we have, the manufacturing as well as the free zone. We also had a greater conversation about potential investments in terms of equity, manufacturing, and partnering with Ugandan manufacturers.
Orchiko ruhikirwemu na General Salem Saleh kandi High Commissioner wa Uganda omu United Kingdom, Ambassador Nimisha Madvan na jango orchiko nurwija kwera Uganda okugoba mu nkwatanisa y'obushubuzi n'oburambuzi.
Uganda stands at a defining moment in her economic transformation. Under our ATMS and NDP program, the mission's economic commercial diplomacy strategy we are advancing an ambitious yet achievable mission, a tenfold expansion of our economy towards a $500 billion.
Now, I think our delegation, it's only day 3 of the WABA visit, but it probably feels like a lifetime in a good way. They've been to Ginger, they've been to Kapeka, they've eaten Ugandan food and drink, they've even managed to partake of the nightlife. I don't know how they fitted it in.
Lawrence Robertson, Chief Executive wa Westminster Africa Business Association kurga United Kingdom, na batahi bebasimira Uganda ahabukutaho emiringo yo kutungura ihanga.
But we also look at the impressive growth which you have in this country, and we saw it on the industrial park we visited today. There are huge opportunities, there's great ambition, and there are tremendous prospects. Now, as I say, we've got a membership organisation with interests in the ATMs, which we've heard so much about, and we've covered very many sectors.
Okay, so I want to say thank you, Journal. Because of you and your name came in, and I'm so grateful. I've seen in my life the first coffee plant in my life.
Aba amana bagatiro by'obuhinji oburambuzi obushubuzi ebyamagara amashanyarazi amajuta science and technology ebyakalmagezi nebindi gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.
Thomas tumwebaze abatura becweka echa Kigunga omugombo Royal Chiri omuribanda bashobanjirirwa bwa nyuma y'eshato okucekereza entindo hamwe n'ebihingwa byabo abatura bibashobire kandi bashaba government okubahwera.
Twayikomyanyeji eshuremo kigwereze eki kandi embere rukubi entindo n'ebihingwa byona bisigiro wishe butaka.
Twinho kuraba cyakabire misiri yitu. Of course kuda bagamba twine misiri tine bahingi ebitusarura tibyakine burabo ndatuyenka bakutambura twakine okutambura so tusaba government yahigura kwa hategitwe ngabatura jya hansi government zayita hansi RC1 RC2 RC3 kubasa kintu ekite kibireho
enjure gwire nyomwazo igwire munonga yagwa almost shanki ibiri kandi yateresa terugurokwe yaretera kimwe ibintu byona ebikurge ruguru akushangana babahingi biti babulije abantu biti babulije amataka gakacendera nibahinga kubi
kandi yamiza guteka ngarjoro mu rushozi rwa Kigunga nkabinjo kuba kumanya Kigunga turi hagati y'ensozi amizigiziro musaha nce munonga gatware ibintu y'abantu entoke ninda zona zigenzere emyani yagenda nebukondo y'amasanyaraze mwe byabirashye no kumbagara kubicira hantindo aho rutindo rukurga rwaba kisensero rwa sero bakaba rutinzira abantu baburizo urutindo rwona rugenzere to akiko kacumanya ngo haragireho no rutindo
Ahabwe mbereji habebembezi ba district y'Ibanda barambura ishwekeci kandi baraganisa kutereza imbere.
Okwera nanke mukore report mu gito wakao then kawo wanaza kwa report na gito mukono tuteke nkai tuteke Kampala ahawe bigwereze bitugwerire kugira ngo abantu batakitwe nzara
tuza kuleta carvax impango za 15
Demite 15
ya 15 impango tuza kuteka muri zibiri za carvax impango zikusinga argeze buhanga
right
dero kuturaheze norenka ziri picha izira hariya tuza ku raising tuza kushuka marabo kandi cyo ta raising umwanya hareta mpaka nkahi
RDC w'Ibanda district Godfrey Mbetegerize yajumira bari kwingo myanya y'enshozi kandi yajangwa abantu bo bari kurugwaho akamba yayaka
uko mu Uganda no mu Africa kizubu kitu ikicha kutereta ibintu ke byabaho munonga no kutamanya kandi mu rugo wanjye nkara disi mu gihe cya president no kubegesa okurenga ucira yabeho cyegesa abandi kitaguma nchiba ako cyo kweta action inga prevention okwerera kugira ki tambirwa yes
Ndashaka Timothy Mushabe
Timothy Mushabe district ya Kabarore yatongoza ihuriro ejenderire okujanja zenjiri yo kuri saba no mu mashomero ebyo kurya birungi kandi birukumara nko muringo go kucendeza okushinya umbana mu district ejo
Ehurejinetwa school feeding program kanija kuba nekoro mu mashomero ga district ya Kabarore nekigenderwa cyo kurwanisa okushinya mu bana.
So you see people, they have children whom they are paying fees for. So most of the food that is being planted is brought in the market. They are looking for school fees. I think we need to have, as an action from this meeting, We may need to educate these women in Kabundeire market and in maybe some markets around that as much as they need school fees for their children, they also need food for their families.
Okujitongoza kwa koroha mbuga nkuru za district ya Kabaroro muri Kitumba kandi ayitabwamo abebembezi ba district bakuru b'amadini hamwe n'abari hakachiko aka district nutrition committee.
The two must move hand in hand. Having good food is one thing, but also getting this food in a healthy environment is another. The other day we were looking at sanitation. I have not seen the indicators of late, but I think Hakibale is a single Hakibale.
So you can't give somebody stress. You beat the person. You emotionally abuse the person. And you expect her to be dressed at night. Or you expect him to perform at night. If it is a man, stress levels also affect men. The man can't stand up very well with a third leg.
Ebihandiko kurwo ministry by'amagara nibyoreka ngwe cyanga cyatoro cebembiri hanga ryo no kugira abana bari hansi y'imyaka 5 abashinyirei no bucwe ka 38 no butonyezo mushanjwa harigana okuchondozo kwa KRC Uganda no koreka mu district ya Kamwenge einabana rukumiga na mushanju Fort Portal State inabana rushanjwa na mushanju Chenjo je inabana rukaga 37 Kabarori 13 Bunyanga ba 32 Kitagwenda 20 kandi yo district ya Ntoroko 31
region. We are at 38.7% stunting levels. That is in children below 5 years. So these children need specific nutrients for their brain growth. But according to the statistics, they clearly show us that our children in the Toro region, out of 100, 40 of them, their brain stopped growing normally, developing normally.
So we don't have to look at a particular site to say these ones are okay. People in town need to be reminded, and people in villages also need to be told that you don't have to sell all the food. So you see the markets are full of food, but when actually homes are sleeping hungry.
Ekirukw'isenako no kushanga ngo ebizibu byo kurya tubiri mu bana bonka kureka no mu bantu bakuru.
When they don't get the right nutrients, those are pregnant mothers, then we shall have effects of low birth weight babies. We shall have effects of anemia among pregnant mothers. And what happens is the cycle repeats itself. Then if the mother does not get enough nutrients, gives birth to a low baby with a low birth weight.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire.
Jonan Tusingwire abakugu abari kuza kushomesa ahamoreko ogwa Harvest Money Expo kutebekanisibe Vision Group bayetera ndachi tebechikure cha Vision Group okongera kwansana ebitekateko okubarije kushomesa abantu omoreko ogu nuguza kubacha ikororo okurugebera 27 ebyo kwezoko okusya kibanza okwezo kurukwisha.
Bashir Mayiga omukugu omukuhinga obutunda yashaba abantu kwija mu bwingi aboreka kuba kubasa kwiha obugiga omukuhinga obutunda. Kido Abel omukugu omukuhinga obutuzi nawe nayenda abanya-Uganda kwija omu bwingi betabo mumworeko gwa Harvest Money abo barashake amagezi go kwetungura.
How to earn money through mushroom growing. So, ladies and gentlemen, come to the expo. It will be taking place from the 27th of February up to the 1st of March. So I'll be there. I'll be training mushroom growing.
Njagala okuwola abalimi mwenna gye muli okujja ng'ennaku z'omwezi 27 nze kennyini ngenda kutandikirawo kubanga mbasomesa ku olwo mu budde bw'okumakya ssaawa 4 okutuuka ng'ennaku z'omwezi 1 omwezi ogwokusatu tugenda kubeera ekkololo nga tubasomesa abalimi baffe mwenna gye muli tubayita okubanga mutwegattako tubasomese ngenda kusomesa obutunda ennima y'obutunda obw'omulembe.
Kanyesije Juliet wa Kanyesije Dairy Farm nashaba abantu kwija bakatunga obukugu omukulisa embuzi no kubakubasa kuganyirwa omurimo ogu. Muhumuza Edgar nawe nahiga kworeka abanya-Uganda obukugu omukutunga embuzi kandi we Joseph Katongore nawe naza kushomesa abantu okuhinga haso avocado no kuboreka akatare kazo aho kari. Abandi barashomesa omworeko ogu nibija kuba nibashomesa okubari kuhinga omwata abari kuri senjoki n'abandi.
Amworeko gwitu gwa harvest money gutuzanya emyaka 10 niza kuba ningamba hakintu nko kuba kuri sembuzi embuzi okutukuzirisa je okutukuziraaziguze na no kusirazihemu ebirungo bikukirayo oburungi bwona omu kintu kyembuzi. Mwe nimbeta mwe namuje kororo tuje turebe ya training zitu zembuzi nana ebirungo byona turakore kurebeka mwe mbuzi twazifunamu esente.
Welcome to Harvest Money. Come and learn how to make money from pastures, from fodder production, from silage, from hay. Come and know exactly what you need to do to make that pasture productive as a business in all the chains. You need to learn how to minimize losses and uplift your profitability.
When Ampeo Daisy na Moses Kutesa abana baza kworeka obukugu omukutunga enjoki Harriet Nakabare wa Camp Green naza kwegesa abantu okukorera omwanya gufunzire kandi Michael Buwembo naza kwegesa okutunga empunu. Chris Magezi wa Champrisa no kushomesa ahankoko. Rero Dr. Mukama Godfrey no kushomesa okori kubasa kuganyirwa omukutunga enkoko.
And we are ready to serve you on Harvest Money. We will be training on poultry. I'm a trainer on nutrition, basically feed nutrition in poultry. We want to see how farmers can benefit at a low cost feed and how you can make more margins using our feed. So please be available.
Kauda isingeriwa mune parent company yafe ya Dihus tujja kubaayo mu mwoleso gwa Harvest Money ogw'omwaka guno nga tujja kwolesa ebikwata ku mmere byonna, emmere y'ebisolo byonna eby'enkoko, ey'ente, ey'embizzi n'ey'ebyennyanja. Era tujja kuba tubawa amagezi. Nze mwennyini ngenda kubanga ndi nkusomesa.
Mwije mweje ebintu bingi omunjoki nobasa kuzirisota omyanya mike aiwe oina akasente kake nobasa kakozesa ota kutunga mu kintu kyango abakukero bwingi moko mbyaro mtungere mpiha za harvest mtungere mpiha za PDM konka mtakumanya kubasa kuzikozesa kubakorera magoba mwije tuboreke woine ka capital kake no kakozesa ota kuri senjoki ukabona kwihamwe ebintu bingi.
I call all fellow Ugandans from different parts to come and attend the Harvest Money Expo show at Coral Grounds, which is going to take place from 27 February to 1st March. We are going to take you through beekeeping. We show you beekeeping products, how to rear bees, different beekeeping equipments, and what you get out of bees.
Omuhwezi w'okutebeekanisa ebyivuro bya Vision Group Kennedy Mota yashaba abantu okwija bakahebwa emyanya aho barakorre.
Mwabaliyo nga mwagala okwolesa emidala gikyaliwo kolo wagazi nnyo tulina space sobola okumala buli omu jangu oba kuba namba esimu gyagenda okutera wansi awo olabe nga bwetaba muki mu mwoleso gwaffe guno mu bufu bwe bumu njagala okwebaza abavujirizi baffe abataddemu ssente omwaka guno oba ku mundi gwaffe guno ogw'ekkumi nga tuteekateeka omwoleso guno omuno mwe muli bannaffe aba the Netherlands Embassy omwe muli bannaffe aba Tunga Nutrition muli bannaffe aba Pearl Bank tulina bannaffe aba Engso abakwetera tractor ya Tafe.
Omwoleso gwa Harvest Money Expo gwe mwoleso gwe twenyumiriza mufe ng'abana Uganda era bulijjo bwe mpulira Harvest Money ngamba tiimu eyajja ne slogan eyo Harvest Money era tujja ku harvestinga money. It is true.
Tusabye abasomesa baffe babeere balage practically ng'ejja okulamu ekintu. So obojja kujja musomo guno olina ofuna peeni yo n'ekitabo bajja bakusomese nga bw'olina okukola ekintu ku faamu kiyite practically.
omworeko gwa Harvest Money oguri kutebekanisa Vision Group nigubaho mu mwaka kandi omwaka ogu niguza kutandika ebirabira na mushanju okwezi oku okutahamu n'omutwaro gumwe no kwegesa nakwe n'omutwaro gumwe gwonka. Amakuru aga gashakwa Sulaiman Mutebi na Abdukarim Sengendo.
Webare Sengendo twaza kumuraho netugaruka.
Oino mukoro nkembaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona Agacencwire tina events nibashangwa ahacombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 Arimbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga hata itano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito tuengo muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe.
Nitukwanjurira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka erichasinjireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu eyomurembe computer z'ekikacha higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi shomereri rahamibwe ministry eyobwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomera mu ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju ibiri kada na mushanju ashatu nibiri Mkaganemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Royal College Makindye ni ishomero rya private erya day na boarding erukushangwa Makindye opposite na Magistrate Sport ryakira boje n'abishi abwo amashomo ga art na ga science na A level bine library na laboratory by'umurembe bahereza beje mfaraso ebukopo S1 na transport ya busha abwo kumura no kumuruka kwa beje bine ineb center
no batendeka ndumi nka French Kiswahili Uganda n'izindi nyingi
rukiraho tera aba Royal College Makindye are not Mushanju 82 ashatu 2 15 Abrinina Royal College Makindye. Education is the key. Royal College Makindye.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies nka national diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses. Netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu rukunjiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba z'esimu 0772 9 0
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Auntie
ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire echo shua. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Katochi, no bunuzi bwayo. Katochi, kerya hamutindo. Okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibaregaruka kugirenda kwa mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi erino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi erina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya mutindo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi teri kuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
Chunchumura kabozi komora kabozi Chunchumura kabozo tuntumure stressi Tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi Oshemezo mu wife oshemezo mu husband Komore tukunywa cyakabozo multivitamin drink Tasyo munsi y'amagara marungi Nichkuyambaho kwigura misi Kireta amana masyo mbashije hamwe n'abakazi Nendije megasho kwatakabozo multivitamin drink Otuntumura cyubaro na stress Echo kunywa cyakabozo multivitamin drink Nichikorwa bakabozo Health Products Limited Chamibwa UNBS kandi churuhombe pimo bya milliliters magana 120 Omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozo okwedorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanyibira kuciraho 002 15 0
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's kiss. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Kamuhamesa ko ebyenyambiro hune bintu byingi ngo kubanga kamuhamesa ko kagitandika omwaka gw'2012 somisa abana banje cyane kisimero ho kamuhamesa ko gesa yindi yo ningambira aho niwe nzekira abana babiri nabo bariya university agwa namana ga mahame urugero project zanje zo kureba mahame ntiremo mukono gw'amani kandi nganyirwemo none kirebuka ngo mahame rehare kandi yantungura ho munonga nko kureba inahika
Nyikiriza nkwanjurira ishomero rurungi ryo mutindo Exodus College School Wakiso hihi na Wakiso Town Hoima Road ona erevo kandi bine center number Exodus College yinagandi mashomero gari hasi yago Mirembe Exodus Senior Secondary School na Exodus Kinder Care and Junior School abeje mifariso baragishanga hishomero ebyase curite ni guruguru ishomero riri ha musinje gwe kanisa na madina gandi baragacira buri nyikiriza ababurenje rwizoba babigurire office mu kibuga mbarara aha Amazon Building Fro yo kubanza umwaruro gwa kabiri room nambi 12 gamba nabo mu office 0 kinana nemwe inshanju 15 0 ashatunina kinana na munana kinana neibiri ukwandika beji kuri kugendo meisho
New Vision aha myaka 20 bakuretera makoma butunu live on concert bwanyuma y'imyaka 25 bakaririrwe aba makoma bagaruka ku cyaciro cy'amani ecyo kweshongora no kwisa urwa katanu ebiro mukaga byo kwa kashatu omwakogu aha Rukororo Independence Grounds Tera Star 252 okugura tickets ziyahashinje mitware 5 aha bwabona 15 aha bwa VIP 25 ahabwa VVIP wayende meza tera notu mushanju 58 chenda na mkaga 11 mkaga na mkaga taro kuguruza ticket aha miryango otakaburaho makoma live on concert Bishagichire Pacific Events Lion Records
The Antode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabeje bwena abaheriza sine ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemere kubushyikiro kubarana urujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe rukwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka 2 mu field buri mwezi na hawo mugisha go kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera mugisha go kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills nabyo bitakwibiri basaries zikiruho mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa rya Ntonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kuma ibiri kukiraho terano tumushanje 8 mukaga nashanju ni 3 nashanju ni 5 ashatu na 4
St. Julian High School Gayaza twinira umwana wawe ubwegese bwo mutindo okurwa musine yo kubanza okiko musine ya mukaga abwa arts na sciences abeji nibagobero mu laboratory yitu eri mu buri kimwe na library yo mutindo eri kushongera abana okika kurunje bigezo twine nemishomo yebye mikono abeji bari kwekwatiramo bakatungo kumanyira hamwe n'imyoga yo kwebisaho manya music dance and drama hamwe n'ebyemizano nitubitahesira okuretera okuguma bina magara marungi no kweyesiga ebyombeko byitu byombekirwe kurungi okurinda jabeji no kubaho mwanya gobugwaji gwo kushomera mu kurungi nkabaryo muka turiyo ntwandika beji okurugo musine yo kubanza okiko musine ya mukaga tera esimu noti mushanje mukaga hatano ni 5 noti mwenda 13 ninga noti mushanje inamushanje noti 5 30 noti mushanje
hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nabagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi aho washota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireza moto tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntukozesa momo no tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabwo no basakusha baroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero agacejumbira muri basa kwangura school van
namazima singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani yishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaloni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and malty flavor, so rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Hey! Makobore High School Rukunjiri. Ernishomero eryabojo bonka eri bari kushoma bari kurarayo bine ona erevo nibegesa arts na sciences bine computer na science laboratories
ubuzima beji bona nibayikira yiguru administrators na staff n'abahangu batendekirwe kurungi ishomero riryamusinje gwedini kandi abeji bona nibegesibwe mice nibaresibwa kurungi ebyo kwirinda birije.
Hey! Makobore High School nishomero erukunda ebyemizano nka football, basketball, volleyball, handball, otebirwe nebya music, dance and drama. Makobore High School twehireyo okubasa kushomesa omwana w'omwojo akaba wo mugasho nyensya nirishangwa rukunjira municipality aha mushozi g'obureberezi obwa Kigezi diocese oburukwebemberwa Bishop Onesimus Asimwe.
Mureta beji emyanya takahwireyo moto yabo ni Ascendimas ebiri kukiraho tera noti mushanju notemwe nkaga ni 5 noti ina hatano ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 5 nkaga na mushanju anana mwenda nshanju ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 82 nkaga na mukaga hatano ni 4 makumyana.
Gumizamu n'amakuru gavumenti kurabira minisitiri y'ubwegese yashabo kutahenshaho eyo kubanjira amashomero gona omwihanga okushabo kwakorwa omureberezi obureberezo bwa Ankole Right Reverend Fred Sheldon Mwesigwa niwe yahayo kushaboku obuyaba nabugana abakuru b'amashomero ga senior na primary agarya hansi y'obureberezo bwa Ankole.
Okubugana okukwaba ahambuga z'obureberezo bwa Ankole akabungora haro kandi omureberezi Sheldon Mwesigwa ina amasiko gavumenti yatahenshaho yo kuhera amashomero nikija kuhera kutungura omutindo gw'obwegese omuyanga.
Omuranga kugira ngo abazire bagire kibataho n'ekintu kikuru. Omuranga kugira ngo abazire nabo benjire omukusoma kw'abana baabo nakyo n'ekintu kikuru. Nico kiyambere n'abakonomizi nico kiyambere nabe aboncharo nambwe hatabetawone ba complaininga tibita bicharo kandi bashika ekireserecho abecharo nabo basimbikire nabo bamanyuburuzi oburiyo mukushoma.
Bishop Sheldon Hona yayihanangiriza abakuru b'amashomero okurwana somuze gukwibera beji ebuzo
kandi n'ikintu kirungi kwemerera amazima tukakora n'amani miji abana bitu bakagumana bagenda na maxezerizo nambwe nayo bakuzo kweyona nibagumana batusima tabana banyu abagira amashomero ganyu nibakora iki. So icyo n'ikintu kikuru nambwe kuri yabiri tari strike yagireho y'abashomesa abana bakabiri nibakora no kukiraho.
Report yashomwa Reverend Canon Agashamwezi mukuru w'ebyobwegese wa Ankole Diocese noereka ko mutindo gw'obwegese omubureberezi gweyongire kuterera.
Ije n'ishonga nkuru government ekozera mu gikombe k'ebiraso no kushashura abashomesa konka ko kuburamu abazire nabo bakatimu kureba ngo abana babo tabari mu kushoma. Isha kandi tabantegesa abantu abazira batinde sente nyinshi kandi nabo kukimanya kugira ngo nabatinde sente abana bamaze P7 abana batagira umusini abamaze senior 4 abana batagira A-level kandi bagikore priority okuzumbuza twakwita technical schools bihe skills bagende baze kutandika kwetunga.
Omwana olisika karajwe yashoma ekyakashatu n'ubwiga omuntu wajunwa washoma automatically n'ubwiga kine kintu kirafukira namwe batabukika n'ubwiga bw'uka Ankole Diocese n'ubwiga bw'uka.
Bishop Mwesigwa Hona yashaba abazire kubanjira amashomero gabo babana benda gatunguke hamwe no kukoraje. Abwa TV West ndi Abdulkarim Sengendo akashozero haro.
Sengendo Abdulkarim obwo ekisibo kirugumizamu omuhwezi wa district Kath ahabwa kiruhura district yashaba abasiramu okukozesa obwire bw'ekisibo okurwanisa emihondano y'omumaka eyari kugira ngo neyongera bwashesha bwira.
Abasiramu omuri Kiruhura district nibashabwa okukoresa obwire bw'ekisibo okurwanisa obutabanguko bw'omumaka oburikweyongera omu district egi. Ebi byagambwa Sheikh Yunus Rwamahe omuhwezi wa district Kadhi ahabwa Kiruhura district obuyaba nahayo obutumwa bw'ekisibo aha muzigiti ogwa Rishere Masjid Nul omuri Kiruhura.
Raho enshumimbi ezikutura zikusibire omukurwana omukukora ibitahikire mu mishoga ruhanga rero ekisibo cyawe kukiramare kuhwa haza munywani wanje obe niko wagumiza motyo ahabo kube ekisibo ninka training ninga course yo kututendeka emitwarize mirungi eyitushemekwa ntitwazamu omunseji
kanyo bulungi n'omwami wo byokoma okukanyo bulungi nakakayasobola okukaleta byokoma okubanga gwogamba nze sigambwako nayagamba ninfa kyenawe takwenda kumpa kitinisa takumanya nkomushijo sigara nimbendeza kisibo kirungi
okurwanisa obwangane okuhwera abatine chwera nicyaro kwenda abasaramu bateho amani omubwire bw'ekisibo
okubendeza ekisibo kirungi ekyo kugarukana n'abantu okugira ngo omukantu koine kona gabanaho na mutahi wawe nambwero ninshaba bona bari hihi no muzigiti mazima kikabiri kiri kirungi hashaha yo kusiburuka musiburukira ha mizigiti ba imam murebe ngo emizigiti yanyu oyineho kabuji oyineho obutunda ka juice hamwe n'amezi n'emineke n'ebintu byo kusiburukiraho
biri obusiramu bwo alagera akinya babanga omwami akiza naita akiyesoka naita akiyokubiri gwe aki ebye babadde nga bajanja wazamu wekube mu mutima tinate singa abadde mwana wange obusiraamu tebukikkiriza obusiraamu bukkiriza okukwatagana
ekisiibo eki impura nkiinemu empeera nyingi kubanga imanti kwatire n'emirimo yange y'okukora bino biratamburire gye ab'okusiiba.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Paul Turyamureeba ahabwa TV West.
Makuru ag'ebyemizano tiimu ya Wolves erugire enyuma okuremesa Arsenal obubonero bushatu nokwe kugwa kikazi na goli 2-2 omuzano gw'empaka za Premier League ya Bungereza oguzanirwe ekire kya busheshere izooba. Amakuru ag'ebyemizano nugo gatusya muheru gw'amakuru gitagacenshire abwekireki tukusima mnonga yogumire nitwe Serena Nuwamanya, Sunday Brian n'abandi abo twakora nabo murare kurungi.
Eshaha za bishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Ekiri kuratako.
Bana Uganda mwenna mwebale kusima Bachogela Hub Products olw'okufufugaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tonyiriza bato n'abakulu era basimye empereza yaffe tuleese ebipya ku katale.
Good Times Kawara Primary School nituyikiriza ngu buli mwezi nayetenga kutandika gye kurugaha nasari kwika P7
Omuzire obuhanguzi n'obutunga washomeseza omwana